Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your browsing history on Opera mobile app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to do this, first open your Opera app on your smartphone and then head down here to your profile icon. If you tap on this, now scroll this up to open or to highlight more options and go to your history. So if you tap on history here, you will see the previous history on this page. Now to clear your browsing history, you can clear or delete one by one here by just tapping on these dotted lines next to the page and then tap on delete. However, if you want to delete the whole browsing history, then instead of clearing one by one, just head on top here and you can see we have an option to clear history. Tap on it and this we are told this will delete all browsing history. Confirm by tapping on OK. And this will have now cleared all the history. By clearing your browsing history on Opera browser, this will help troubleshoot any issues that you are facing so that you can browse efficiently. So that's how you can clear browsing history on Opera browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.